Hi folks, it's Dave with Long Island Paintball. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody had a good holiday season. Happy Merry Little Christmas today. It's January 6th. The reason for the video is, as you can see, is I bought a new Ridgid 18 volt job site radio. The reason why I bought the radio is I had at my job, I had a Milwaukee job site radio, and I think I had it for like 5+ years. And it was the ones with Bluetooth. You didn't have Bluetooth. You had the stupid wire that connected to the your headphone jack. I'll include a picture of the radio I had that just in fact died on me today. Just like totally crapped out. Bought this at Home Depot for $120 plus tax. It's part number R84087. If you can see that, I apologize. And like I said, the one I had the the Milwaukee at my job, and it just died. I had it for like 5+ years. So I don't have any Ridgid tools. I just like it for the I'm gonna do unboxing. I just like it because it's like a job site radio, and you know, you just connect your Bluetooth. It's heavy duty, so what we'll do is put the box in here. That's what's in the box so far. Bear with me here, I apologize. I wanted corded, like I said, I don't have any Ridgid tools. I wanted corded for a job site radio, a heavy duty radio. I have right now, I also have the Ryobi 18 volt hybrid radio, which I have a review on it from like a year or two ago. I still have that, and the thing, I use it all the time, charge my cell phone. It works perfect. I have no issues out of it, so that looks good. So, alright, let's okay. Alright. In the box, you got instructions. You got, I guess, that same auxiliary wire you can connect to your phone, but I'm going to use the Bluetooth feature on it. It's got all warranty information and stuff. They give you a card with other different Ridgid tools. But like I said, I don't use I don't have anything Ridgid. I'm a Ryobi guy, and I never had nothing Milwaukee. I only used the radio. All right. So you take it's made of plastic. It's got like a crackle. I want to say crackle finish on it. Take the bag out. Let's show you some features on it. You got a power button, a mode, a sound, a clock, Bluetooth. That's the take that off. Take that off. Throw that away. Let's see how it goes here. It's got like a heavy duty case. It almost, this outer plastic shell almost feels like a toy. All right. Download the Ridgid radio app. Okay, I don't know what that's about. Control your radio across the job site. Not really into that. In the back, it's got an antenna. And this one you can't turn. You can only go left. That's it. Up like that. This one you can't turn at all. It's got the plug. This is why I want it corded for the heavy dutiness. So let's see what happens here. Okay. The plug is actually nice and thick. It's got a good gauge wire on it. I'm happy about that. Okay. I guess the back here is this. I guess this for charging your battery or something. I don't know. I didn't read the instructions. Not like I said. I'm not gonna have. I'm not gonna. Might use it. I don't have anything rigid, so. We don't have anything rigid, so. See what happens. All right. Put that in. It's a little bit hard to see. It's got the zeros flashing. The zeros flashing. Alright, we're gonna hit the power button. Okay. Gives me presets. Okay. It's a nice display. I'll show you. It's a very nice display. It's very clear. It's actually, I like this better than the Milwaukee one that just died. Let's see. Let's go to some country music out here.
Percent of ASU grads are recruited within 90 days of graduation.
That's very clear.
Learn to succeed and learn to thrive at
Very
Arizona
clear.
State University. To learn more
wow.
about ASU Online degrees, text
You adjust the volume. There's a dial in here.
RTNER to 35517.
Keep on going, don't slow down. If you're scared, don't show it. You might get
Wow, it's pretty loud. I didn't even put up all. I didn't even put up all the way. Wow. Okay. All right. Wow. Just the volume. Okay. Real quick, I did it. It goes up to 30. It goes up to number 30 for the sounds. So I did it real quick. All right. All right. Let's see what else. It picks up channels very good. Kind of like this. It's pretty cool. Let's see, we get 99. 99.
sound is.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Alright, let's try, now we're gonna try the, Bluetooth mode. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna put my phone, Bluetooth, hold on. Go to Bluetooth. Okay. Alright, my phone's in Bluetooth mode. Let's see, I don't know why it's flashing too, but let's try, Bluetooth. Okay, it's in Bluetooth. Let's see what's in Bluetooth. Okay. I'm gonna search on my phone. See what it says. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, it's not finding it. I don't know why. Hi, I'm back. Excuse me. I had a technical issue on my end with the Bluetooth. It was actually my piece of junk phone. It's an LG Phoenix 4. It's one of those prepaid phones. Well, anyway, it's very easy to do with Bluetooth. Pair it with Bluetooth. You'll see the Bluetooth is the symbol is flashing. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is, all right. You're gonna go into your Bluetooth. I apologize. I don't know if you can see it, but what you're gonna look for is Stream Ridgid Jobsite Radio, and it's flashing. And you're gonna. I apologize about the lighting. You heard that sound? It's connected. So now this phone is paired with this radio. Now what you can do is you go to YouTube or Pandora, whatever you listen to. Alright, so let's try some Conway Twitty. Yeah. Playing Conway Twitty.
There's a lot of ways of saying.
Okay, let's try. Show you works too. Let's try Pandora. Okay. That's Pandora. And you see it works as the Bluetooth. So, and also too on the side of the radio, let me show you too, so I point this out too. On this is, there's like a little compartment here for USB and for the auxiliary wire. I guess you know you can charge your cell phone and stuff. It in here is like a little pocket. In here is like a little pocket. You really can't stick your phone. I mean, you can stick your phone in there, but people just lean it on the side. Overall, is it worth $120? Yeah, I guess. I'm probably gonna say it's not as loud as the Milwaukee that just died on me, but I figure it's okay. I don't plan on dropping off a ladder, but other people are saying that this roll cage, whatever, is good. To me, feels very plasticky, and look like I'm flexing it. But like I said, I'm just using it for a job site radio to listen to music at work. So that's about it. I mean, I guess you could put other stuff in here. So, and the one important thing I do want to tell everybody is, I just read up on this, is supposedly Ridgid, covered for life, free batteries, free parts, free service, free life, for life. So I'm going to assume that this has a lifetime warranty, but you have to register it within 90 days. And in fact, I'm going to go probably tomorrow when I come home from work, I'll register it online. I mean, if it does that, then I mean, this thing is going to be for life. So if this thing dies in 5 years, either Ridgid's going to fix it or replace it. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it says good for life. So okay, thank you for watching my review. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Hopefully you did. And if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe if you would like. Thank you to all my loyal viewers, and I'm going to try to do videos more often. This is Dave from Long Island Paintball. I'm out, and I'll see you later.